None of us is required to squeeze his private part in order to empty that urinary canal from any remains of urine. Once you pass urine and you feel you emptied your bladder, alhamdulillah, wash your private and sprinkle some water on your private part and on your undergarment and get up, make wudu, and resume praying. Especially with a person with OCD or waswasa. Neglect these thoughts altogether. Unless if you realize that 100% you passed urine or you dropped urine afterward. But otherwise, if it is mere thoughts or waswasa due to assuming that I may have released a drop or two, or due to the medical condition, the OCD, never mind. Don't even double check. After washing your private, doing istinja, sprinkle some water on your private and on your undergarment, and then make wudu and pay no attention to anything afterward. Allah is the most forgiving, the most pardoning.